show the right product to the right person at the right time.
So the whole idea was to find a methodology that would do better than question and questionnaire.
Is the email marketer doesn't need to think around uploading the right image, getting the right text and the link structure, stuff like that. They can now think of how can I improve the email from a strategic point of view.
Marketing in general is a field where data are important and sometimes we are overwhelmed by data.
Tend to use the platform themselves to produce this type of activation. But yes, we also have a surrogate solution where we can help brands to get going and really kickstart that journey.
This, we create a platform that can help brand, agencies and media centers to analyze influencers, to find new influencers and also to predict and monitor their performances.
So we've been building a database now for over 15 years. As said, it's close to 700 million business-to-business IPs in it currently.
Today I was honored to be invited to the Digital Marketing World Forum as a local Dutch entrepreneur. This incredible event brings together Europe's brightest minds in marketing, AI and data innovation. So I decided to explore and interview some of these disruptors to uncover what the future of AI holds for us. And let's see what they had to say.
Commercial director at Salvation, and we are a marketing agency and we have software projects, especially for the fast-moving consumer goods market. And what we deliver is based on AI. We have a platform which is called Qiri, and Qiri does hyper-personalization on marketing campaigns. So based on your own customer data, Qiri can predict next best offering. So what does that mean is we can automate and at scale show the right product to the right person at the right time.
It's B2B only, B2C?
It is primarily B2C, but we also have clients in B2B when it comes to e-commerce.
You take the data, and then from the data you predict, okay, there is this consumer behavior.
We can do it for like millions of customers on a one-to-one base, based on their purchase behavior, product data, and order data. We can predict for each individual customer product. And we also connect to product feeds systems. So when you have an email, is that we can automatically use the advice to show the right image, the right price in the email.
Okay. So from the data you're collecting, you're also generating email marketing for
yeah.
Do you also supply the service of email marketing, or you only advise them on what do they have to sell?
Exactly.
To
So
target group?
yeah, what we deliver is an email platform, and on top of that we have that algorithm to basically enhance your email marketing or website, and that's always on a product level.
Great. So the supermarkets are giving you, for the company, then the authorization to go and do the email marketing for them.
Yeah, exactly. And we also help them collecting the data, put it in a safe database, and then do the right marketing campaigns on the database using AI.
So you're an AI, basically just good for the people. You're an AI marketing agency.
Exactly. That's AI.
But mainly focus on data-driven, data understanding, data analyzing.
Exactly.
And then email marketing to a specific target groups.
To target groups, but even on a one-to-one base.
Even on a one-to-one base.
Yeah.
Wow,
so for example, what we do, for example, is making 700,000 unique newsletters for each client, an individual newsletter with their own product.
AI-driven, fully AI.
AI-driven, fully automated. So what does it mean? Instead of an email marketer needing to make the emails themselves manually for different segments, we can do it automated, which reduces like 80 or 90% of the time using that kind of emails.
Not only the time, but we're also talking about the financial part.
Absolutely.
The company was founded in 2018, but we launched the first version of our product in 2021. So a lot of time spent in product development, R&D, and our team is primarily composed by technicians. So we have a team of back-end developer, front-end developer, machine learner. So we put a lot of effort in the product, and right now we are enjoying the fruits of our work.
Work with brands in retail, or for example fashion brands, beauty brands, because they are doing a lot of influencer marketing activities right now, but they are struggling struggling finding the right influencer for them. We have a client in Italy that uses us to monitor all the campaigns that are related to new series, new films. Basically, the idea was made by Giovanni, Simone, and other two founders. We are an Italian startup, so basically the idea was, as I say, to help companies to be more efficient, to reduce time, and also to cut costs.
Actually, the management of the customer, of the prospect, it's really, really important. And we noticed during those years that you can offer many KPIs, many functionalities, but the clients need to understand and exploit them fully. If not, you get the contrary. So maybe many features, many things to do with the platform, but they don't understand the actual value. So it's very important for us to work closely with the client, also develop functionalities that are in their needs. So we, generally speaking, don't propose any features without having did a questionnaire with the clients or interact with them. And being close to the clients is very important, not just when they are client, but also during the trial period.
So the whole idea was to find a methodology that would do better than question and questionnaire. What we do is market research. And traditionally, market research is about questionnaire and asking questions. The problem with that is that it doesn't really predict very well if a product gonna sell when you launch it for real. And actually, e-commerce is a great way to be behavioral. When you place a product online, you can track what people are doing with it, how long they spend on the product page, and if they are buying it. So we decided to use e-commerce as a way to do behavioral market research. We do as if the product our clients are asking us to test were available on those platforms, and we simply ask people to go for shopping trips. Then we simply observe if they decided to buy the product or not, and then we can tell our clients, okay, you should launch this or this product, because based on our analysis, it would work well. This test in the US, so we would choose targets, and then we would simply ask people to go for a shopping trip, and they would navigate our website as if it was the real target, and we would track every single action they take on this target website.
We're working with some of the leading brands in all sectors, so from McDonald's to Klarna to Unilever.
McDonald's comes, we need a game. Do you only do the game by the specifications they bring, or you actually go sit down, understand the idea, have a marketing team to develop the idea? How does it work when it comes to the B2B?
Brands tend to use the platform themselves to produce these types of activation. But yes, we also have a service solution where we can help brands to get going and really kickstart that journey.
So work for Leaf Forensics. We've been in business now for 15 years. Our CEO was the proprietor of reverse IP tracking on websites. And over the last 15 years, we've built a full suite surrounding that main concept of tracking business-to-business websites. So we look for business data. So when a business comes on, we're able to identify that and relay that information back to the customer. We've been building a database now for over 15 years, as I said. It's close to 700 million business-to-business IPs in it currently.
Only in Europe or worldwide?
No, we're worldwide, so strong data in the US, Canada, the whole of Europe, the Nordics, UK, growing rapidly as well. So we do a subscription service, and it's priced based on business matches over a period of time. Everyone gets the same service, so you will get the portal, customer success manager, and then access to cognizant data through the businesses that are visiting the website.